I'm a business analyst at InsightPIN Software Solutions. Today I will walk you through InsightPIN, an AI-powered analytics platform built by our excellent team. Most businesses have data, but very few can access it when it matters. Reports take time, dashboards are static, and every new question means another request to the technical team, creating bottlenecks that slow down decisions at every level. InsightPIN changes that. It connects directly to your data and lets anyone in your organization, a sales manager, an executive, an operations lead, simply ask what they need to know in plain English and get an instant visual answer. Under the hood, InsightPIN intelligently translates those questions into SQL and runs them against your data in real time. So, the technical complexity is handled by the platform, not by your people. The right insight at the right moment for everyone in your organization. Let me show you how it works. We begin by connecting a data source, which is your production database. Insight supports multiple database types, as you can see here, covering the most widely used environments across organizations. You simply enter your database credentials, establish the connection, and from that point, Insight has access to your entire database and everything in it. Once the connection is live, we move to Browse Tables, where we select specific tables we want to work with and visualize within the dashboard. As you can see, these are the tables. We opt accordingly as per our need and we import the tables. Rather than exposing the entire database at once, this gives you control over exactly what data you want to bring in and display. With the table selected, the next step is Sync Manager, where we schedule how and when the data syncs with the dashboard. This is more flexible than it sounds. You can choose to sync the entire table or by selecting specific columns you care about. You can also decide whether to pull only the most recently added entries or do a full refresh of the table. We can also override the default policy. Giving you complete control over how current and how comprehensive your data view is at any given time. With the data connected and synced, we move to Data Model. Here's where the real intelligence begins to take shape. Here, the different tables you have brought in are connected to each other by building relationships. For an instance, connecting the QR code. As you can see, the type of connection, here the different tables I have brought in are connected to each other by building relationships. through primary keys, foreign keys, and other relational links. This is important because when you later search, prompt, or ask any questions, InsightPIN uses these intertable relationships to fetch and respond with complete contextual accurate answers rather than looking at each table in isolation. Moving on to the widgets. That brings us to the end, where we established the complete data foundation for InsightPIN. We connected the database, selected the relevant tables, configured the sync settings, and built the data model with the relationships that power intelligent querying. In the next video, we will see how InsightPIN turns all of the data into live dashboards, AI-assisted widgets, and fully customized reports, putting real insights directly in the hands of your team.